Check out these incredible settings on your MacBook Pro. Who wouldn't want to have access to these amazing features? Let's dive in and see what makes the MacBook Pro experience truly next level. First, keyboard shortcuts. Mission Control plus up arrow. Show all desktops. Mission Control plus left/right arrow. Switch between desktops. Mission Control plus Option plus. Click on an app icon. See all open windows of that particular application. Shift plus Command plus D. Open the desktop folder. Shift plus Command plus H. Open the home folder. Shift plus Command plus A. Open the applications folder. Shift plus Command plus O. Open the documents folder. Command plus Shift plus 4. It lets you capture a specific window instead of the entire screen. Command plus up/down arrow. Move the cursor to the beginning/end of the document. Option plus up/down arrow. Move the cursor one paragraph up/down. A 2 or 3 finger swipe upwards reveals the mission control, where you can view all open windows and spaces. A 3 or 4 finger swipe to the left or right switches between full screen applications, making multitasking a breeze. You can also customize trackpad gestures to suit your preferences. By going to System Settings, Trackpad, you can enable or disable specific gestures and even assign different actions to them. This allows you to personalize your MacBook Pro experience and tailor it to your specific needs. Customizing the touch bar enables you to have quick access to the functions and tools you use the most, eliminating the need to navigate through menus or search for specific options. To do that, click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Select System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS versions. Locate and click Keyboard. Scroll down and click on Touch Bar Settings on the right side. Now, you can add or remove controls from the touch bar, rearrange them, and even create custom control strips for specific applications. It's a powerful feature that can significantly enhance your workflow and productivity. Background processes running on your MacBook Pro can consume system resources and impact overall performance. Open Finder. Navigate to Applications and click on Utilities. Double-click on Activity Monitor. It provides detailed information about the processes running on your MacBook Pro, including their resource usage and impact on performance. By identifying resource-intensive processes, you can close them or take necessary actions to optimize your device's performance. Optimizing MacBook Pro storage boosts performance by automatically offloading unused files to iCloud, freeing up space. Go to the System Settings, and then General. Select Storage and tap Optimized. Again, click on Optimize. Another way to optimize storage space is by regularly cleaning up your device. Setting up FileVault encryption. Simply go to System Settings. Click on Security and Privacy. Choose Privacy and Security. Select FileVault and follow the instructions to enable it. Click on Turn On. Enter your device password and tap Unlock. It's a hidden feature that ensures the safety of your personal and sensitive information. Choose the option as per your preferences and hit Continue. FileVault encrypts your entire startup disk, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized users to access your data. The firewall acts as a barrier between your device and potential threats from the internet, preventing unauthorized access to your computer. For setting it, go to System Settings. Select Network. Tap on Firewall. Here, you can enable the firewall and customize its options to suit your needs. You can also specify which applications are allowed to receive incoming connections and block any suspicious or unwanted traffic. Resetting the System Management Controller and Parameter RAM can resolve various hardware-related issues. To reset the SMC, shut down your MacBook Pro, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Release the power button. Wait a few seconds, and then turn on your device. To reset the PRAM, restart your MacBook Pro and immediately press and hold the Option plus Command plus P plus R keys. Keep holding the keys until you hear the startup sound for the second time, then release them. Accessing hot corners. Imagine swiping your cursor to the top right corner and instantly putting your Mac to sleep, or whisking it to the bottom left corner to launch Mission Control for a quick view of all your open windows. That's the power of hot corners. Click the Apple menu at the top left of your screen and select System Settings. Access the Desktop and Dock menu. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Hot Corners. The following interface will showcase each corner has a drop-down menu. Click on a menu and choose the action you want to trigger when you move your cursor to that corner. Here are some options you can choose from: Mission Control, Application Windows, Desktop, Notification Center, Launchpad, Quick Note, Put Display to Sleep, Lock Screen. Spotlight Search quickly finds files, launches apps, and does calculations. Open Spotlight. Click the Spotlight icon, magnifying glass, in the menu bar or Command plus space. Type your search query. Spotlight will begin suggesting results based on your keywords as you start typing. These results can include applications, documents,
Contact.
emails, web searches, indicated by a small globe icon. Interact with the results. Select a result and press Enter. Opens the selected item, app, document, etc. Click the arrow next to a web search result. It opens the search in your default web browser. Use the arrow keys to navigate. Highlight different results within Spotlight. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.